right, welcome to Troy Running Blind. I'm Troy, and today we'll be unboxing my new canes. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, these are the D canes. They're made by a gentleman in the Midwest, and once we get them out here, I'll tell you about them. You certainly packed them well. Okay. So these are a long rigid white cane. So rigid meaning they don't collapse or fold. And see, I ordered, you can get the different sizes in there, sis. I got two different sizes. So this is the size I normally use, right up to about my forehead. I did order a spare that's a little longer when it gets a little warmer in this area and you walk a little faster, then you may want it just slightly longer. So these canes are made out of fiberglass and they're very flexible. You got the flexing in there?
Yep.
Yep, they're very flexible. They will break, but they're very flexible and you want them flexible. And then they have a metal tip here. And the reason for the metal tip, these are replaceable because they will wear down. Reason for the metal tip, you zoom in on that. Metal tip, you get better sound feedback and better tactile feedback as you're out traveling. And they're replaceable depending on how much you walk. Will depend on how often you have to replace them. I generally get about 2, maybe 3 weeks out of a tip. These are pretty lightweight, probably the lightest weight canes that I've come across. And the other types of canes are the NFB canes, and those are very similar. I don't think they're as flexible as these. I prefer these. And then there's the Ambutex, which are much more stiff, and a lot of state agencies usually pay for those types, but they're not ideal because they're very heavy, not flexible. They have all different kinds of tips, which aren't really beneficial for tactile and sound feedback. So if you're interested in these canes, have any questions, you can email me at troyrunningsblind@gmail.com, or if you'd like the information to be able to order these yourself, you can also email me at troyrunningsblind@gmail.com, and I'll send you the information. All right, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.